Hey Google, what's on the reminders for today?
You have one reminder, today at 7:13 p.m., Airpods video.
Alright guys, welcome to the video. Today we have the AirPods unboxing, sound quality and comparison. We're going to go over with the Beats Studios. So the first half of the unboxing, we do have a classic Apple box. Of course it is finished in white and with a cardboard finish. It does have the Apple logo on the right hand side and on the left hand side. On the top it features the AirPods in metallic. And it does show the AirPods in the very front with the picture on the back of how it charges. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. I do have my special rainbow knife. Yeah, right. So yeah, unboxing it, of course, is like every other Apple box. It is cardboard and it does have plastic on top of it. Opening it kind of is a pain, like every Apple box. We do feature designed by Apple in California. Okay, so after the designed by Apple in California, we are featured with the AirPods. They do have a little protective sleeve just to get them out of there. Under the case, they do have the charging cable, which is lightning, just like the iPhones. I believe it is a 3-foot long one, but of course everything is in cardboard just to be recyclable. So inside the box, it does have the manual, the charging case, and the AirPods itself. Inside, we do have the manual, the stickers, and pretty much a quick unboxing of it. Does show you how to charge it, how to start it up, how to do all these type of things, like every Apple product. It does show the manuals and stuff like that, and the warranty. The charging one is of course lightning, just like the iPhone, so you could one charge, one cable for everything. Okay, so here we have the AirPods. They are more of a hard plastic finish. They do have a lot of fingerprints and of course really glossy. They do come with a protective sleeve just to get them out of the case. They do have this magnetic hitch that opens and closes with a hard, firm click every time. On the back, they do have the lightning cable and the little button just to turn them off and on, I believe. Each one is magnetically put in and out, and it does charge magnetically on the very bottom with the pins. Opening up the AirPod case is kind of hard in a way, just to make it firm, just to make sure they don't fall out and stuff like that. And each AirPod is pretty light, and honestly they're built pretty well like any Apple product. The bottom does feature the lightning USB just like the iPhones, and it does have a button on the back. I believe it's to turn it on and off, something like that, right? The back does have the hinge, which is in the metal finish, and honestly a solid product by Apple. Alright, hey guys, so a first try with the AirPods. They do kind of feel flimsy at first with no wire and stuff like that, but honestly I feel like I can go on a run for them. So right now we have a comparison of the Beats and the AirPods against Khalid. Better, right, Jason? Mm-hmm. So yeah, just a little comparison of both of them. Alright, so for this comparison, we do have Metallica just to show off the bass and the highs and the hi-hats and stuff like that, just to make sure the AirPods can handle it. Alright, so in this corner we have the AirPods. This is the generation 1. In this corner we do have the 2nd gen Studio Beats. Little comparison, or there really aren't any comparisons. This is more of an in-ear and this is more of an out-of-ear headphone type style. Going over the practicality, of course these are way easier just to put in your pocket, just to go to school, just to do this and that, right? And you can listen to one on like each ear if you ever wanted, right? These are way bigger. They have a case, they do everything, they shake, they're a way bigger headphone in total. But for these being $150, which is half of the price of these, honestly think these are way better. They have, I'd say, on par music quality on there. The bass is good, the highs are good, the lows are good. They are small, they go in everywhere. You might lose one here and there, but you can always replace them. And if you do have Apple headphones or Apple iPhones and stuff like that, I would say go over the AirPods, just because the Apple ecosystem is like that. It does come with the lightning, so you do charge them the same way. And then on here is going to be micro USB, so you have to bring up a second cable, or maybe if you have Android or something like that. But bang for buck, I think these are worth it. They have solid build quality, they sound good, they look good, all the hype around them, and honestly I think these are a way better choice than the Beats. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to click the follow button, make sure you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Anything to say, Jason? Anything? Shout out to Baby Boy for the production quality. Thank you guys, see you later.